Right, very quickly, there's the old filter, right. And I think that'll be a vast improvement. I don't know what the make of it is now. Oops, but it's a classic car one. That's the make of it anyway. And you can see that's, yeah, dummy pad. And that's what's inside there, not much. That spring goes on under that plate, which fits on there, and that spring fits on there. Then the bolt goes through there. And voila. It's on a spring then to keep the seal around here, to keep the seal around there. But I'll clean all that up, fit it on, put some oil in and start it up. And then you can see. Yeah. And hopefully I can put these videos together because everything's going wrong here. So now my phone's dying, so that's not a great help. Let's put this on the stove. That oil was really bad to come out there. We've got a bit more. It's really bad. Never mind. We'll put some new oil in a new filter and that'll do it for another year or two. In this case, I think it was 2 years. Which is naughty. Should change it a lot more often. It's about 103, 103. That's CH8. This is CB2. So whether that was in 08 and that's 2002, that's not good, is it? Okay. Right. So, we shall get on with this and I'll get back to you soon. Bye.